Hi guys, I am Dan. Welcome to Bootstrap tutorial. In this video you learn about tables in Bootstrap. This video will be very short because it's very easy to design a table in Bootstrap. First you must add the attribute class and then write table. And if you observe, you design a table. If you want a table with a border, just write table bordered and you have border. If you want a table stripe with stripes, write table stripe. If you want hover, you write hover, and you have this hover effect on the rows. Also, you can write a table success to create a color. If you remember contextual colors, danger, and so on. Or table dark, and you have a white text and dark the background color. I think this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.